Done. Yung minana-marinate natin chicken, then lang natin dito. Ganyanin lang natin. Ilang natin yung pan. Natin yung chicken. Oyster sauce. Water. Ayun ang cornstarch. Yung pinagaluhan kanina. Yung braiding nito. Para kang palapot yung cornstarch. Slicein lang natin. So guys, for today's video, chicken honey tayo ngayon guys. Serve na yan. Kain. Sarap. Delicious. Sarap nito partner sa lettuce. Delicious guys. Ito. Para may iba naman na ang ating putahin sa ating delicious. Binunlis ko to. Chicken legs. Or chicken thigh. Napakasarap niya. Tayong malamig. Thank you guys for watching. Please follow my Facebook page and follow my TikTok. If you buy something, please click the yellow basket or visit to my TikTok shop. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Instagram. Bye guys.